Meaning of dramatization.
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 Dramatization. Dramatization refers to the adaptation of a story or real-life event into a dramatic form, such as a play, film, or television show. The result of dramatization is the transformation of the original material into a visual and auditory production that conveys the story or event through dialogue, action, scenery, and music. Through dramatization, the audience is able to experience the emotions and tensions of the story in an immersive way, and often gains a deeper understanding of the themes and characters involved.